Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. And in this video lecture, I will explain you complete scheduling of duplex house building, G+1 building, duplex house construction by using Primavera P6 software. So initially I will explain you the complete details about the duplex house, and then after that I will explain you complete scheduling of the duplex house by using Primavera P6 software. And if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering topics. So let's start our video. So initially I will show you the complete details about the duplex house, which I am doing the scheduling of the project by using Primavera P6 software. So here I am selecting my PDF. This is the PDF in which it will be consisting of complete details about the typical floor plan and steps to be followed, and EPS, and how to add the OBS, and creating the projects, and everything is available, and creating activities is also available. I will upload this PDF in free PDF section of Civil Engineering Shravan application app. So download our application and download this PDF for free. So this is the typical floor plan I am using for this project, which is related to G+1 building, duplex house building by using Primavera P6 software. So it is consisting of living, kitchen and storage room, washroom, and this is the dining area, this is the bedroom, and these are the staircases which I am providing for this project. In the same process, at the top section it will be consisting of 2 bedrooms and home theater, wash area, and this is the living or guest room for this particular project. So in this video we will cover how to do the detailing of this particular typical floor plan and a house which is of duplex construction by using Primavera P6 software. So now I will show you the steps which I am following for the project scheduling by using Primavera P6 software. So initially in the first step we will create the EPS, and second step we will create the OBS, third step we will create the calendar, fourth step we will create the project, fifth step we will create the WBS, sixth step we will create the activities, seventh step which is related to the giving the relations between the activities, and eighth step related to the scheduling of the project. These are the major important 8 steps we will follow for scheduling of any project by using Primavera P6 software. Okay. So now first step, which is related to the creating of the EPS. In this particular project, I am assuming EPS which is related to project A, project B. Okay. So initially I will do the first step. So one by one step we will move. So Primavera, just I am opening my Primavera P6 software. So now I am opening my Primavera P6 software, Primavera P6 software here. So click on your password here, type your password. Just I am typing my password. Click on connect option. So the complete software will be open here like this, which is consisting of a previously done project. So initially we need to delete this project. Go to enterprise option. So click on select to project A, delete option, click on S option. Again in the same process we will select the project B, click on S option, so that it will delete the project. In the same process we will delete the OBS also, which are presented in this particular project. Okay. So now the first step is to add the EPS which is related to project A, project B. We will add that project A, project B in the EPS. For that, go to enterprise option, select the enterprise project structure here. So here you can see it will open the display of EPS here like this, which is consisting of EPS ID, EPS name. Okay. So click on add option here. So now we can see it was added new EPS. So you can write the name of the EPS as per my assumption. Just I am assuming project A, PA is the EPS ID, and project A is the name of the EPS. Just I am adding. In the same process I am adding one more EPS which is below the EPS 1, which is of project A. Next I am writing here as project B. This time writing EPS name is project B. Project B here. Okay. So I was added EPS 1 as project A, and I was added project B as the EPS, second EPS for the project. So click on the close option here. So this is the first step which is related to addition of EPS by using project Primavera P6 software. Now I will explain you how to add the organization breakdown structure, which is related to the second step in this particular sequence. Now for that, just I am selecting here enterprise option. So select the OBS option. Okay, so here I'm selecting OBS. So here you can see it will be consisting of project manager initially as per the considerations of the project. So now we have to add these 5 numbers in the OBS structure. So which is related to civil engineer, site supervisor, quality control, finance department and HR department. So for that just I am adding here, click on add button. So we will write here as civil engineer. Next one which is related to site supervisor SS. And next one we will add which is related to quality control engineer, QC engineer. Again we will add one more project which is related to finance department, and we will add one more section which is related to HR department. So this is the second stage. This is the second step in our scheduling of the project by using Primavera P6 software. If you wanted to display this particular structure in the chat view, you have to select this display option. It will be consisting of chat view option here like this. You can click on this option so that it will show you the complete chat view which is presented for this project. It will be consisting of project manager, civil engineer, site supervisor, quality control, finance department as well as the HR department. So this is the structure which is related to the organization breakdown structure we are added as per our project considerations. So this is our second step. So after adding the OBS, we need to create the calendar for the project as per our assumption. So for that just I am selecting Primavera P6 software, enterprise project structure. Again I am selecting here as calendars option. So you can see here it will be consisting of some of the calendars for the project here like this. Initially we need to add the new calendar as per our consideration. For that click on add option. So we will select this particular place mark. So I am selecting the place mark. Just I am writing here as Duplex house as the calendar name. Okay. So click on this particular place mark so that it will add the default calendar which is related to the Duplex house. Okay. So now we can see it will add the Duplex house as the default calendar for the project. Now we will change the number of the working days, working hours as well as the holidays in that particular calendar which is related to Duplex house. So for that select this Duplex house, click on modify option. So it is already defaultly consisting of the sum of the holidays I was already defined for this particular project. So you can see here, click on the work week option so that it will show you the complete holidays which are presented on that particular week. In the Sunday, I am giving 0 working hours, and for the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, I am giving 10 hours working hours for the project. Okay. So I am selecting OK option here, but some of the holidays which are also presented inside the month also. So for that we have to select that particular date and click on the non-work option so that it will make it as non-work. So this is also non-work, this is also non-work. If you select any one of this, so it will show you the working days. This is non-work section, and again this is also non-work option. So I am selecting working 14th. So again I am selecting August 15th as non-work option. So August 15th is non-work. In the same process you can add the non-work as well as the working for this particular project by using calendar method. So click on the OK option. Now we have to check this Duplex house having the default calendar or not. Okay. So click on the close option. This is the third step which is related to creation of calendar. And next step which is related to creation of the project. This is the important one. So in that first one we have to click on the file option. Click on the new option here. So we will select the project EPS. So if you want to add the particular Duplex house project inside the project A, you can add it. So as per my assumption, just I am assuming the Duplex house which is consisting of the EPS in project B. So for that we have to select these 3 dots. Just I am selecting project B, PB as the EPS which is presented with the Duplex house. Click on next option here. Okay. Project ID we have to give. Just I am giving as Duplex. Project name, just I am writing here Duplex house. Let us consider Duplex house. So click on next option. So we have to select the starting date of the project. So the project was planned at 17th June 2025. Click on the next option. Then after that we have to select the responsible person for this particular project. So basically we are created the OBS which is related to the project manager, civil engineer, site supervisor as well as the quality control, finance department as well as the HR department. In that particular section just I am adding the project manager is the responsible person for this particular Duplex house building. So you can add the other organization breakdown structure person to the particular task which is required for completing of the project. Okay, so as per my assumption, just I am taking project manager is the responsible person. Click on next option. Again we have to select the rate type. So as per our consideration, just I am selecting price per unit 4 option here as per my definition. Click on next option here. Again it will show you the message here like this: your new project has been created. To modify your project properties and define properties not covered by using WIP, click on the enterprise menu and add the click on projects here. So click on the finish option here, so that it will add the create the project which is related to the duplex house by using Primavera P6 software. This is the fourth step. Now the next step in our project scheduling is creating of WBS. Basically the WBS is consisting of 5 categories here. You can see here, which is related to planning and structural work, site preparation, construction work, finishing work, as well as closing of the project. So we will add these 5 WBS inside this project planning. So for that, firstly we will go to the enterprise option. So in the enterprise you can search the WBS. If not present in this particular enterprise, go to project option. Inside the project it will show you the WBS here like this. Otherwise, if you want to add the WBS on the left hand side, it will be consisting of the WBS panel here like this. Click on the WBS option. So it will open the complete WBS here like this. So it will be consisting of the layout which is related to WBS code and WBS name. So WBS code we will copy as per the considerations. So WBS name is also we will copy from this particular section. Planning and structural work, just I am selecting WBS name, first WBS name. So click on add option. So planning and structural work, just I am selecting here. You can copy the WBS here like this. Sorry, we have to copy the WBS here like this. Planning and structural work. Next one which is related to site preparation. Site preparation. So here I am adding WBS which is related to site preparation. Just I am selecting here. Click on the paste option. But it is not the subcategory of the planning and structural work. So we have to move this WBS to the left hand side. So for that we have to click on this option. Okay. Again we will create some more WBS which is related to construction work. Click on copy. So we will add WBS. We will move to the left hand side. We will write it as construction work. Okay. We will modify the name of this particular WBS which is related to the construction work. Okay. Next one which is related to finishing work. So click on the copy option. So we will add WBS and we will move to the left hand side. So which is related to finishing work. Just I am selecting here which is of finishing work here like this. Again we will add one more WBS which is related to closing of the project. Okay. Click on the copy option. Again we will select here. So click on add option. We will move this WBS to the left hand side. So we will write is close. So we will write it as closing of the project. So this is the process of adding WBS for the project by using Primavera P6 software. Now we are done with complete addition of the WBS which is related to fifth step in our project. So after this we will add the creation of activities by using Primavera P6 software. Under the WBS one which is related to the planning and structural work, we have the activities numbers 4 here. Under the site preparation we are also having the activities are 4 numbers here. Under the construction work we have the activities related to 20 numbers here. In the same process we have the activities which is related to 5 numbers under the finishing work. Closing of the project is consisting of 2 activities. So we will create the activities for the project as per our assumptions. So for that initially we need to select the start project option. Click on the copy option. So we will select the Primavera P6 software. So we will add the activities by using this project activities option, or else you can select the activities here. So select the activities here so that it will it will select the complete activity panel here like this. Under the planning and structural work WBS, it is consisting of 4 activities. So click on the add option here. It will add the first activity here. So we will write the name as 10 number here. Again we will add the 3 more activities. Second activity, this is third activity. Again we will add one more activity which is related to the fourth activity. Now under the activity number 1 which is related to the A10, we will add the start of the project. So just I am pasting here start project option. Again second one which is related to planning work, we will select copy. So select here. Just I am selecting, click on paste option. Again next activity which is related to architectural work, just I am selecting here, click on the copy option, select here, click on paste option. Next one which is related to structural work, select here, copy, just I am selecting this activities, paste here. Next process is to creation of site preparation. So for the site preparation it will be consisting of 4 activities. So we will add those 4 activities under this. Click on add option. We'll start the site preparation from the 100. Click on add button, second one, this is third one, again this is the fourth one. Under the 100 it is consisting of first activity related to site clearance here. Click on copy option, again we will paste this activity here. Next one which is related to setting out work, just I am copying this activity, just I am pasting here like this. Next activity we have to add marking the center line of the column. Click on the copy option, again we will select here, paste here. Next activity which is of excavation work, click on copy option, again we will select here, paste here. Okay, next activity which is related to construction work. Under the construction work we have the activities numbers 20 here. So we will go to the project here, so we will add the activity, just I am changing this activity number as 200 here, just we need to add the 20 numbers here. So click on add here, again I am adding next one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one, ninth one, 10th one, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 as well as 20. So we will copy the activities here. So here I am selecting first activity which is related to PCC work here. Select this, click on copy, again we will come here, we'll paste here. Next activity we will select bar bending work, click on copy option, we'll select here, we'll paste here. In the same process we have to select the third activity which is related to footing work, we'll copy, again we will paste here. Next fourth activity which is related to columns up to plinth beam level, click on copy option, again we will select columns up to plinth beam. Next activity which is of plinth beam construction process, so click on the copy option, again we will select here, click on the paste option. Next activity which is related to plumbing work, click on copy, again click on paste option. Next one which is related to earthwork filling work, click on copy option, select here, click on paste option. Next activity we will select ground floor columns, click on copy, again we will come here, again we will paste here. Next activity which is related to ground floor shuttering work, click on copy, here I am selecting, pasting this. Next activity as per the consideration ground floor slab bar bending work, click on copy option, again I am selecting here, click on paste option. Next activity we will select as per ground floor slab construction and curing work, click on copy, again we will select here, we will paste here. Again next option which is related to first floor columns, we'll copy this activity, again we will come to the Primavera P6, we will paste here. Next one as per our consideration first floor shuttering work, just I am selecting copy, pasting here. Next one ground floor wall construction, just I am selecting, copy option, again I am pasting here. Next option which is related to first floor slab construction and curing, we will select first floor slab construction and curing, we will copy this activity, so I am pasting here. Again next one activity we have to copy which is related to ground floor plastering work, click on copy option, so we will paste this activity here. Again in the same process we will select one more activity which is a first floor wall construction. So click on the copy option, we'll paste the activity here. And next activity which is of first floor plastering work, click on copy. Again we will select the Primavera P6, paste here. Now I am selecting next activity as per our consideration, parapet wall construction and plastering. Click on copy option. Again I am selecting Primavera P6, click on paste option here. Next one which is related to other finishing and elevation work, copy. Again I am selecting here, pasting these options here like this. Again finishing work, under the finishing work it will be consisting of 5 activities. One is related to plumbing work, electrician, painting, flooring, other finishing. Just I am selecting plumbing work here. Click on copy option. Again I am selecting here. We will add the 5 activities starting from the 400 here. Just I am starting this particular activity from the 400. So click on this option, paste option. Again I am selecting one more, next one more, and lastly one more section. Okay. So after plumbing work we will select the electrical work. Click on copy. So here I am selecting electrical work. So here I am selecting this painting work. Click on copy. Again I am selecting here, pasting here. Okay, next activity we will add flooring work. Click on copy. We will paste here. Again we will add one more activity here under this section, other finishing works. So click on copy option. Again we will paste here for the project. So next one which is related to closing of the project. So for that right click on this option. So we will add 2 activities here which is starts from the 500 section. Just I am selecting 500. This is 510. So this is 500 and this is 510. 510 activity. So 500 section which is related to quality control. Okay, next activity which is related to handovering site, HOS. So this is the process of adding the activities for the project by using Primavera P6. Now after adding the activities we need to give the duration for the project. So as per my assumption, I am assuming that the start project is 1 day and plumbing, planning and such work 2 to 3. 1, 2 to 3. So this is 1 day. Actually this is 2 to 3 section. But starting of the project will be related to the task which is of start milestone option. Okay. So that's why it will be consisting of 0 days. We need to add this particular 0 days in the planning and work. Okay. So next one which is related to site clearance. So site clearance is having 2 days, setting out 1 day, marking the center line of the diagram 1 day. This is 1 day. Again this is 1 day. Next one which is related to excavation work. Excavation work is 2 days. Next one construction work 2, 3, 2, 2. So 2, this is 3, 2, 2. Plinth beam construction we will select plinth beam construction 3 days. 3 days, 4 days, 2 days. Plinth beam construction 3 days. Plumbing work 4 days. Earthwork filling work 2 days. Ground floor column construction. Ground floor columns 2 days, 5 days, 2 days. Ground floor column construction 2 days. This will be 5 days. This is 2 days. Ground floor slab construction and curing, generally it will take around 14 days for the project. Again we will select the first floor columns. For the first floor columns 2, 6, 5. This is 2. This is 6. This is 5. And first floor slab construction and curing, it will take around 14 days for the project. And ground floor plastering section we need to consider 7 days, 8 days, 10 days. 7, this is 7 days. This is 8 days. And this is 10 days. Next one, parapet wall construction. So for the parapet wall construction 5 days, 7 days. This will be of 5 days. This will be of 7 days. Okay, you can see here. And finishing work which is related to plumbing work, approximately it will take 10 days. 10, 7, 10, 10, 4. This is 10 days, 10, 7. This is 7 days. This will be of 10 days. And this will be of 10 days. And next one which is related to the 4 days. And for the quality control, quality analysis and handovering site, it will take around 4 days. And handovering site will not be having any days. Why? Because it will be of finishing milestone option. Okay, it will be consisting of 0 days. So after that we had to add the predecessor and successor for the project. Okay, so generally predecessor and successor are very much important. For example, let us consider planning work is there. So for the planning work, predecessor is start project. We need to add the predecessor or successor. Based on your assumption you can add. So here I am selecting predecessor section, click on assign option. Start project is the predecessor. If you have the obtained any kind of the error, lag in the particular project, we can add. So architectural work, planning work, structural work, architectural work with the lag of some 2 days. Site clearance, for the site clearance we will consider structural work, setting out, site clearance, marking the center line of the project, setting out, excavation work, marking the center line of the project with the lag of just I am adding 1 day. Again I am adding PCC work. For the PCC work, excavation work, bar bending work which is related to PCC work, footing, bar bending, columns up to plinth, footing, plinth beam construction, column plinth beam, plumbing work, just I am adding plinth beam construction with a lag of 1 day. I am selecting earthwork filling. For the earthwork filling, plumbing, ground floor columns, earthwork filling, ground floor shuttering, ground floor columns, ground floor slab, shuttering. Next on ground floor slab construction, floor, first floor columns. This one, first floor shuttering work, columns construction, ground floor walls, shuttering. Next on floor construction, walls, ground floor plastering. This one, wall construction, plastering, first floor section, parapet wall load, first floor plastering, other finishing work, parapet wall construction, plumbing work, other finishing work, electrical work, plumbing work, painting work, electrical work, flooring work, painting work, other finishing, flooring work. This time adding lag which is consisting of approximately 3 days, and quality control, other finishing works, and handovering site, quality control option with the lag of 1 day. Okay, so this is the process of addition of lag and relations between activities by using Primavera P6 software. Now after adding the relations between the activities, we need to do the scheduling of the project. This is the final and last step in the scheduling. So for that, go to schedule option which is presented on the top. So click on the F9 also in your keyboard so that it will do the scheduling. So apply selected data set to all the open projects here. The project was started from 17th June 2025 here. So click on the schedule option so that it will do the complete scheduling of the project by using Primavera P6 software. For completing of this particular duplex house, it will consisting of 171 working days. The starting date of this particular project is 17th June 2025 and ending date of the project is 24th September 2026. It will take approximately 171 days. So this is a complete process of step-by-step process and complete scheduling of the duplex house. So here the calendar was added defaultly as duplex house calendar for the project. This is the successor as well as the predecessor. Now I will show you the Gantt charts. Now we can see here these are the Gantt charts which are presented under the scheduling of the project by using Primavera P6 software. Now we can see this is the Gantt charts we are considered for the project scheduling as per our assumption. So this is the complete process of scheduling of duplex house by using Primavera P6 software. If you have any queries about this video, please try to text me your questions in the below comment box so that I will give you the answer for that particular questions. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.